Let's take a look at this equation. I see the equal sign here. My goal is to get x by itself. I notice the first thing I need to do is get rid of these parentheses by distributing. So I'm going to bring down 5x, and now I'm multiplying. Careful, I'm multiplying negative 7. Negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. Negative times negative is positive. 7 times 3 is 21, and this is 7 times 3x, so it's 21x equals 38. Okay, I'm going to combine like terms right here. So that's 26x minus 14 equals 38. Now I'm looking to get x by itself. Right now I have all the x's together, and I'm just looking to get rid of everything else. Start by adding 14 to both sides. Now it's very much like this problem. Let's look at the next one. The next one, what's notable about this one is that there's x's on both sides. And in fact, both sides can be simplified. So we go, and we're going to simplify one side at a time. So over here, what can be simplified? Well, over here, there's like terms. 4x and negative 7x are like terms. So 4 minus 7 is negative 3x. Bring down plus 7 equals. This can be simplified using the distributive property. 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 4x is 8x. 2 times negative 2, positive times negative is negative, and then 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, now, I have x's on both sides. In order for me to get x by itself, I first need all the x's to one side. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3x to both sides. I could also choose to subtract 8x from both sides, but I like to add because then I'll have nice positive x's over here. My x's will have a positive coefficient right here. Okay, now I need x by itself, so I'm going to move this 4 over here, right? The x is on the right side now, so now I'm trying to get rid of everything that's over there with it. Okay, and I'm going to divide by 11, and I get 1 equals x. Over here, if I want to simplify, I start by factoring. 5 is prime. Okay, so this 50x cubed y to the 4th is the same as 5 times 2 times x times x times x times y times y times y times y. And I'm looking for doubles because I know those simplify. So I'm underlining doubles, I'm double underlining singles. Okay, and remember what happens, right, is that this double goes in its own house, this double goes in its own house, and then these singles stay in this house over here. Now what happens? This is 5 times 5, which is 25, but it's the square root of 25. So this just becomes a 5, right? A double 5 here becomes just a 5. Same deal with the x. The double x becomes an x. The double y becomes a y. This becomes another y, so I write it like this. And this doesn't simplify because we don't have any doubles in there.